Honorable President of today's Mahfil, Chief Guest, Special Guest, Chief Mubassir, and all those present audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, I am Mahmoud Hassan, 10 years old. My father's name is Mainul Haq and my mother's name is Mahmouda Begum. Though my house is Dalia, but at present I live in Dimla. I am studying in class 4 at Al-Heda Model Hifz Madrasa. I am also studying in Hifz department of this madrasa, and Alhamdulillah I have completed about 3 para. Our madrasa is one of the most reputed institute in Dimla, which provides ideal education to students of all departments and classes. It is not only for education but also practical activities, sports and other subjects teaches us. The teachers of this madrasa are very sincere, careful and experienced. They are regular teaching us and solve any problem. I wish my teachers and madrasa the best of goodwill. Thanks to all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.